We did get some catches. It's cold outside, so there will be a video because I did record it. Whatever I got, it's going on YouTube. What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back for another freaking episode. It is a great day. It's kind of cloudy actually, but it's still a great day because check out this. Holy crap. The phone's been dead and it's on the charger, so I wasn't recording yet. Look at the size of this monster. Dude, that is a huge fish. We're gonna weigh it. We're gonna turn her loose though. Probably keep her for a little while, but we're turning her loose. Probably do a final picture at the end with all the fish. We're going for fish like this today, but good Lord, I seen quite a few right down through here and I thought they were catfish, and I kind of ran up on this one. She's kind of close to the bottom, down around 12 foot deep. Dude, this is a giant fish. We got to get it on the scale. I know it won't fit in my measure. All right, so it won't fit in my measure. It's too hold on. It's too wide. Too wide to fit in here. She's too thick. She won't fit all the way down. Let's check the weight on it. All right, guess what the official weight is. Put down in the comments, guess what the official weight is. Did you guess? Okay, it's 2.09. Boom. Freaking monster. That is a big fish. Big fish. 2-pounder in the boat already, first fish. Now let's get after them. No giant, good eater size. I don't know why that camera ain't on. Boom. Nope. So I better turn that water off. We're going to another cove. That wind's just ripping in here. I gotta take you guys down though. I thought I was the only crazy person out here, but I'm not. I'm gonna have to get inside here. Trolling motor's bouncing out of the water. I really didn't know the weather was gonna be this bad. Get out of here. Down one. There's catfish literally everywhere. everywhere in here. This is like one of the very few coves that I can even get out of the wind. But boom, another 12-inch fish. The 4 keeper, I've thrown some back. Alright, this is too windy. This is just too windy. We're gonna try, the wind is coming this direction, so we're gonna go way over there. There's a bluff. We're gonna try to get up next to it. If there's any fish there in that little cut, we'll catch them. If there's not, I'm going home. And the worst part is this camera keeps dying. So I haven't really got any good footage, and I've got really terrible audio with my GoPro, so that's what it is. It's not a good day to fish. So yeah, I just got off work this morning. Thought I'd come out here and make a quick video. I figured I'd have 15 already. I've caught 5, but one of them was 2 pounds 11 ounces, so it was worth the trip. My hands are freezing though, so let's go over there and try that. Let's get out of the wind. All right, people, it's been absolutely the worst trip that I've ever had, probably in a long time. The weather is not cooperating. Wind's blowing like 100 miles an hour. Temperatures drop like 10, 20 degrees, probably 10, 12 degrees, I think, not 20. Hands are freezing. I think it's like 43 outside right now. And I wasn't ready for this. But we're gonna turn these fish loose, and I'm gonna at least show that. I got some catches on the GoPro. Every time I'd catch one, I'd turn around and the camera would be dead, but we did get some catches. This cold outside, so there will be a video, because I did record it. Whatever I got, it's going on YouTube. So I guess let's see what all we got here. We didn't catch very many. I think I got 6 total. I only kept 4. Sounds pretty good one. Boom. That was a pretty good one. It's a good thing about Livescope. You don't really ever have to measure them. Wasn't really seeing the fish today though, like I have been, but it's also really windy. This is a really good one. Boom. But it's not even the biggest. We got the big one still. Ooh, yeah. This one's a toad. Boom! I've got to take one last look at that. We'll get another picture with it. Alright, so I'm right here at the ramp. Wish I was actually down in there a little bit further, but we're gonna turn this baby loose. She gone. Well, that's it. I got 3 more here. I'm gonna throw these other 3 back. I was just showing. I threw the 2-pounder back. We're gonna throw these back too. Ugh. Boom. They're lively. There she goes. And they all swam off like nothing ever happened. One thing I did do, have a really big line, and I filled it up full, like completely full. That way they weren't really in any harm. But that's all I got for you today. Don't forget, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I did catch my new personal best record for this year. Maybe my personal best record ever. I don't know. I've never actually weighed fish until YouTube. So yeah, there we go. I'm out. Don't forget, it's cold. So please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button.